Hey guys, welcome back to the third episode of the Friendly Banters IPL edition. So we did have a match today of Sunrisers Hyderabad and Chennai Super Kings, and it's a follow-up video of the Chennai Super Kings video that we had made. तो हम लोग आज बात करते हैं कि हम लोग को जो सबसे ज्यादा डर था कि चेन्नई के साथ क्या हो रहा है, तो एक्चुअली आज क्या हुआ. तो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन है तुमसे, अमन. Did Dhoni do the absolute right thing by retiring from international cricket?
To answer this question, दिल में बुरा लगता है, but I think he did the right thing. उसका जगह नहीं बन रहा team में. मतलब I cannot see him playing for Indian team like this. अब आपके पास विकेट कीपर के ऑप्शंस में ऋषभ पंत का छोड़ो, वो अपना अपॉर्चुनिटी बर्बाद कर रहा है. बट केएल राहुल एंड संजू सैमसन इतना अच्छा खेल रहे हैं. आई डोंट सी धोनी इस फॉर्म के साथ इंडियन टीम के लिए इज फिट टू प्ले.
मेक सेंस. लेकिन आपको ये नहीं लगता है कि धोनी का एक्सपीरियंस मतलब बेसिकली लीडरशिप डिसीजंस मतलब हेल्प करता है इंडिया को इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में?
ये सब बस excuses है, to be honest. Kohli is a capable leader himself. Yes, experience helps. I'm not saying that experience doesn't help. धोनी's experience helps a lot, especially आपके दोनों spinners को. But ऐसा नहीं है कि धोनी के बिना टीम नहीं चल सकता. We have to move forward, right? We cannot depend on one man की जिंदगी भर धोनी पीछे विकेट के पीछे खड़ा रहेगा and make sure that India wins. We have to move on, and I think this is the right time.
Okay. Nice perspective. Good, makes sense.
ठीक है,
तो
अब इस मैच के बारे में थोड़ा बात करते हैं. You have anything to say about Hyderabad batting?
यार, हैदराबाद की बैटिंग के बारे में कहने से पहले मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि Hyderabad has a major advantage of having two international leadership quality players, which is Kane Williamson and David Warner. मेरे को लगता है कि यार the way they are getting along and the way they are strategizing the things, मतलब एकदम ही मतलब right on bang on points the decisions they are making. For example, से जो दीपक चाहर हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया था, राइट, कि दीपक चाहर का स्विंग नहीं दिख रहा, लेकिन आज पहला ओवर में जैसे उसने जॉनी बेयरस्टो को फॉक्स किया with 3 out swingers and 1 in swinger, which basically ripped his castles off. That was absolutely amazing. लेकिन उसके बाद जब मनीष पांडे आए and he was looking in a great touch and he was playing good with Warner, and then he got out, and then Williamson came in, and because Williamson was in such a good touch पिछले मैच में हम लोग को लगा कि हाँ विलियमसन है तो भाई सनराइजर्स कर ही लेगा. बट उसके बाद आए हमारे गर्ग साहब, जो हमारे 19 साल के लौंडे हैं, जिन्होंने
विलियम नोट कराया.
उन्होंने विलियमसन का रन आउट करा दिया. हालांकि आई वुड लाइक टू से कि वहां पर रन नहीं था, but then again Williamson, being Williamson, the captain of New Zealand cricket team and also one of the finest players of modern day cricket, अगर आप एक 19 साल के लड़के हो और आप विलियमसन को आउट करा देते हो, यार अगर मैं वहां रहता तो ऑब्वियसली मैं तो डिप्रेशन में ही मर जाता कि मैंने विलियमसन को रन आउट करा दिया और मैं खुद का विकेट दे आता.
स्पेशली आपने विलियमसन का वो लुक देखा.
हाँ भाई. But the point is the way he kept his composure, Garg. It was absolutely amazing, and the partnership they wove in Abhishek Sharma and Garg, absolutely bang on target.
बहुत ही सेंसिबल क्रिकेट खेला उन्होंने.
Absolutely. मतलब this IPL 2020 has been a major league which has given us some major youngsters as talents. आप किसी को भी ले लो यार, गिल को ले लो, किशन को ले लो, शॉ को ले लो, आप तेवतिया को ले लो. Now Garg coming into the picture, a 19 years old kid with some quality international bowling, scoring 51 runs and getting his team up to that point of like that score is like absolutely amazing. And but this is a classic example which I say ki what is the difference between CSK and a team like Hyderabad. CSK में आप एक्सपीरियंस है, आपका प्लेयर्स गेट आउट, यू डू नॉट हैव दैट यंग ब्लड कि हाँ भाई अब तो कर लेंगे. But this was a classic situation where the hot shots of the team got out and the youngsters came up to the situation and actually rescued the team from that 74 for 4 to 165 runs, which is it's an amazing feat in itself, isn't it?
Absolutely.
मतलब
Hats off to Garg for the way he batted.
Absolutely. Or if you have heard Kevin Peterson commentary, he always says that IPL is an institution in itself. I would say the perfect example or the perfect definition of IPL for youngsters is it's an on-job training for interns. मतलब आप 19 साल के लड़कों को ले आए और वो इंटर्न्स अगर वो ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग चाहते हैं, IPL is the best place to have that training. The very fact that he said that he showed that grit that I have the bat and I know to bat and I can stand up to the situation is absolutely amazing. Also, running between the wickets, which is the major difference between these two teams, with the young talents and the young fresh legs. Also, the fielding efforts. यार अगर आप प्रियम गर्ग को देखो कि वो जिस तरह से फील्डिंग किया है, जैसे वो फील्ड पे अपना कमिटमेंट दिखाया, you cannot expect something of a team which is like average age is say what 33 years 34 years. मतलब वहां पर अगर आप यंगस्टर्स को देखो, हैदराबाद के लड़ रहे, झगड़ रहे, दौड़ रहे, कूद जा रहे हैं. So absolutely amazing here, and that also made a huge amount of difference when Abhishek Sharma and अपना गर्ग साहब जब खेल रहे थे कि वो रनिंग between the wickets बहुत तेज था. So absolutely love that. What did you feel about the bowling of CSK?
So the ball was swinging at first. Deepak Chair was very good with his swing. बट जब आपको वो अर्ली ब्रेक थ्रू, आपको पहला ओवर पे 1 for 1 होता है, यू नीड टू पुट प्रेशर्स. लेकिन अगर देखोगे तो पहला 6 ओवर पे फॉर एवरी ओवर दे हैव बॉल्ड वन बैड डिलीवरी जो बाउंड्री पे गया है, एंड दैट मेड श्योर कि हैदराबाद वो प्रेशर फील ना करे. व्हेन यू कंपेयर दैट टू चेन्नई's बैटिंग, when Bhubaneswar was swinging, they didn't bowl a single loose delivery. Chennai did that and they paid the price. So even after taking that early wicket, Hyderabad managed to score 42 odd runs in the power play, right? So that was something that was an absolute turn off.
What about the fielding? Shardul Thakur का sitter जो miss किया, और Jadeja is missing catches, man.
Don't expect, मतलब on any other day you will not see Jadeja dropping those. I don't think I have ever seen Jadeja like this.
Coming on that point, like, what did you feel about the batting of CSK?
See, again, Watson was a huge disappointment. Okay. Raidu, I don't know why he played that kind of a defensive shot. That is completely unacceptable. Okay. Faf du Plessis, again, there was no run over there. I don't know. They shouldn't have tried for that run. So 3 wickets, they just threw it away. Right. Dhoni has decided that he is not going to bat in top 4. That is very clear. He is going to bat at 5. And this is where Chennai's lack of bench strength harms them. You cannot replace Jadhav. Who will you bring in instead of Jadhav? And Jadhav has been the major disappointment for this league. If he is not contributing with ball, I don't see him in the playing 11. I would say कि drop Jadhav, bring in Rituraj Gaikwad, make him open, and make Raidu bat at 4. That would make much more sense. And I will not be surprised if they decide to go with Tahir and drop Watson. I'll not be surprised by that.
Yeah, that's what we were discussing in the last video also. Like, why not bring in Tahir, because he was the most number of wickets he had in the last season, right? So Tahir has that experience to bring back the match whenever they want, like whenever there is the reason.
There is one more disappointment from my side. That is Piyush Chawla. So if you see the length which Piyush Chawla is bowling, he's either bowling short ones, which is being played in square, or he's those volley balls which Warner is hitting straight. So even if you see the wicket of Warner, right, वो Warner का catch Faf du Plessis ने पकड़ लिया. अगर ये same ball उसने शारजाह में किया होता, ये ball कहाँ जाता?
बाहर था.
Piyush Chawla is not at all bowling at right lengths to play T20.
Piyush Chawla is not in the right amount of fitness to play T20. मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि पूरा CSK का टीम में, if you leave out Faf and Dhoni, I don't see any other player, and maybe a Jadeja. I do not see any other player in that fitness of that age group to play this level of cricket at this point of time.
I think Tahir is fitter than many of those players.
Yeah, absolutely. अजीब सा एकदम intent का कमी दिख रहा है. It is looking like a very 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 tired team.
See, अगर देखोगे ढंग से तो CSK is still scoring 78-80 runs in last 5 overs. So finishing is not. So I'm telling you what the problem is. Problem is कि they are still relying on their old mindset 2 years ago जो उनका था.
हाँ,
So
exactly.
those they were able to score 90 runs in last 5 overs. So they are leaving that much amount of run. But अब उनमें वो ताकत नहीं रहा कि they will score 90. They will still score 78, 80 runs. But those extra 10, 20 runs, that is making the difference this time.
Absolutely, absolutely. Very disappointing performance, मतलब जितना मेरे को लगा. At the same time, देखते हैं क्या होगा.
I'm worried कि शायद धोनी अगला मैच ना खेले with the.
That's what I was saying, right? मतलब थोड़ा सा tired team लग रहा है, fitness not up to the mark, intent not up to the mark. Whereas if you see, मतलब अगर हम लोग सनराइजर्स का बॉलिंग ही ले लेते हैं, they were so bang on target, so bang on lengths and lines. मतलब अगर आप पहला 2 ओवर को देख लो, with भुवनेश्वर कुमार, खलील अहमद एंड नटराजन बॉलिंग, राइट? एक लेंथ वो फिक्स कर लिए कि यहीं पर बॉल करना है, और मतलब आपको रूम नहीं देना है, और वो रूम नहीं दे रहे हैं यार, आप वहीं पर क्रैम्प फॉर रूम हो रहे हो, और यू कैन नॉट ड्राइव इट, राइट? सो वॉटसन का अगर विकेट देखो, वॉटसन का विकेट भी इट वाज एन इन स्विंगर. ऑब्वियसली वो उतना स्विंग नहीं किया जैसा बाकी सब बॉल स्विंग कर रहा था, बट इट वाज एन इन स्विंगर जो कि इनसाइड एज लेके चल गया.
Was an in swinger and it was a very bad shot selection by
It
Watson.
was a very bad shot selection, right? And matlab, obviously running between the wickets not up to the mark. If you only could see the running between the wicket being up to the mark when Dhoni and Sam Curran were playing.
Yeah.
अब बाकी सबको देखो तो रनिंग अप टू द मार्क नहीं है. वॉटसन दौड़ नहीं पा रहे हैं. फाफ डिप्लेसिस जिस स्पीड में दौड़ रहे हैं, वॉटसन नहीं दौड़ रहा.
When Dhoni and Jadeja was good.
Dhoni and Jadeja was good, but then again the question comes कि जो जडेजा पहला 20 डिलीवरी खेला है, क्या वो 20 डिलीवरी धोनी पे ज्यादा प्रेशर बना दिया, या फिर जडेजा मतलब उसके बाद जो मतलब वही कवर अप वो किया, was that enough?
I don't think that was enough, but I will say कि even Dhoni is to be blamed over here. If Jadeja was not connecting, then Dhoni should have taken up the strike, and Dhoni should have said कि okay, you watch me from the non-striker end, gain some confidence, I'll hit it.
Makes sense.
I think धोनी भी उसको थोड़ा leniently ले लिया कि ठीक है end में मार देंगे. So he had too much confidence. That is how Dhoni is, right? He backs himself at the last over. But अब उसको समझना होगा कि those 10-20 runs are making the difference.
See, what was happening 2 years prior is not happening today, because obviously the game has upgraded, right? मतलब पहले जो game था आज वो game नहीं है. The game has become much more fast and people are running more. Being Dhoni being Dhoni, you should know that. मतलब he is obviously the captain pool and we have that belief in him. But with the last 3 games, for me as a Dhoni fan, I actually am questioning some of his captaincy decisions. I don't know, like I may be bashed for this, but yeah, I am finding some lackiness in his captaincy decisions.
Actually, to be honest, I'm not finding any lack of vision, because see, it's something that even Dhoni has no control over, right? So their opening partnership is not at all giving runs. Now, you can question why Dhoni is selecting Watson over, say, Rituraj Gaikwad. But again, Watson has always performed for them. So even if when I'm saying कि maybe we can see Tahir playing, I am pretty sure that Dhoni is not going to do that. I'm pretty sure Watson will still play.
Maybe, but then again, I what I think is that upgrading your game corresponding to the teams that you have in the T20 league, because most of the teams, if you see, are relying heavily on the young talents. You take KKR, you take Rajasthan Royals, you take the the whole Delhi team is basically a young team. So if you are competing with them, if you are competing with that amount of enthusiasm and that amount of energy on field, मतलब I know that you have experience, you have that vision, but also मतलब आपका body भी support करना चाहिए ना उतना दौड़ने.
But you will play with the players that are available to you, right? You don't have the young players.
That is true, but for that, suppose कि I would say कि go with the players who are more agile at this point of time than the players who are not.
Basically, his plan was that this would be the last IPL for this set of players. There was an auction between 20 and 21 IPL, and they planned to buy players. They planned to rebuild the team at that point of time. But because of this COVID, this IPL shifted, and now there is no auction in between. So they will be stuck with the same team in 2021. So now they just want these two IPL to get over with, and then they will rebuild the team. And I will not be surprised if CSK bids for Williamson. I'll not be surprised.
Maybe
They want
that will be a good
captain.
choice.
Williamson will suit the Chennai mentality of this game. That
Yeah,
calmness, he
true.
will.
He will bring in the stability in the team. Anyways, having said that, in the post-match presentation, Dhoni said that they are making the same mistakes over and over again. Dropping sitters and giving away runs, going for extras. If Dhoni, he knows how to, mold his game as per the situation. So what I would say is that let's keep patience. It's what 5 games they have lost 4, I guess, or they have
They've
lost 3 4 games
lost.
plus 3. Yeah, so I guess he knows what to do now. Definitely, they will do something, come back. But kudos to Hyderabad. The way they have played and the way they have come back, absolutely amazing. They have the two greatest minds, the leadership minds of the world, Warner and Williamson. So yeah,
And hats off to Priyam Garg. He is the hero of this match.
absolutely. The youngsters are just coming up to the mark. Absolutely amazing fielder, amazing batsman. Beautiful.
What
Very.
about Bhuvneshwar Kumar? Is he injured? Will he miss the next match?
Bhuvneshwar Kumar may be injured. I don't know. The way we saw that he could not go up for the follow through or the run up for three different occasions. Seems like a bad sprain, but let's hope that he comes back because he is the major kingpin in Hyderabad's bowling because his swing and his line and length is one thing that restricts the opposition's runs. So let's see. So I guess this follow-up video uh, will be liked by the people who have seen our first video on CSK because we did point out a lot of things, a lot of team changes that had to be incorporated.
Yes, with the same team changes that I pointed out.
Yeah, so yeah, they have gone with the same team changes. Let's see in the future what is in store with the great mighty yellow army. So for now, for today, this is pretty much it. And this is Aman and Abhishek signing off.
Good night.